Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. So two parallel tangents 20 meter apart are to be connected by a reverse curve. The radius of the first curve at the PC has a radius of 800 meters and the total length of the chord from PC to the PT is 300 meters. Stationing of the PC is 10 plus 620. For question A, find the central angle of each curve. For B, find the radius of the curve passing through the PT. And C is what is the stationing of the PT. Okay, so check natin uli if this is a parallel reverse curve. So as you can see, malinaw na malinaw, meron tayong parallel tangent. So therefore, you can say na yung ating theta or yung ating I, yan, yung ating parallel. So meron tayong theta is equal to I over 2. Yan. So, pwede nating agad ma-solve yung I dyan. So, ang kukunin natin for a reverse curve technique yan is hanapin natin itong distance nila. So, as you can see, meron tayo dyang 20. And then, check natin yung distance ng kanilang chord from PC to PT. Ayan, yung first curve, the radius of the first curve at the PC has the radius of 800. So, ito, given naman ito. And then, yung ating 20 meters. And then, yung ating length of the chord natin is from PC to PT is 300. So, ang una natin hanapin is pwedeng yung distance between the two tangent and then yung length ng chord from PC to PT. So, yung chord dyan, ito yun. Ayan. Nawa natin. So, from PC to PT. So, ayan yung chord. Ito, ang distance niyan is 300. So, makakabuo tayo dyan ng triangle. This is the triangle na pwede nating magamit. Yan. As you can see, and then ito yung hinahanap nating theta. Yan. So, therefore, gamit ulit tayo ng ating sine law kasi yung ating opposite side is 20 and then the hypotenuse is yung ating long chord. Okay, or chord. So, for our first question is yung ating central angle. For 1, yung ating central angle. Okay. So, kunin natin yung ating sine ng ating theta equals opposite side is 20 meters and then ating hypotenuse is 300 meters. So, therefore, meron tayong theta equals meron tayong arc sine ng 20 over 300. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3.823 degrees. 3.823 degrees. So, yan ay theta pa lang. So, remember, tayo ay nakaparallel. So, meron tayong central angle. Kasi ay I. So, yung ating central angle equals 2 theta. Therefore, ang ating central angle, so times lang natin to sa 2. Meron tayong 7.645 degrees. 645 degrees. And this will be our final answer. So, store na rin natin sa A kasi baka magamit natin Okay, shift store A. Ayan. So, for our next question, yung find the radius of the curve passing through the PT. Ayan. So, for second question, yung ating radius of the curve. Ng ating passing through PT. Passing through PT. Ayan. So, to get that is kunin natin tong relationship na to. Just like yung ating previous surveying problem is almost same lang, but this time, so merong radius na binigay. And then, hindi yata equal yung dalawang radius nila. So, therefore, hindi equal tong dalawang curve length natin or length of the curve. So, kasi magkaiba yung ating radius. So to get that, so ganun pa rin, tignan natin, kunin natin itong isang relationship na to. Ayan. Yung ating R1, since given yung ating R1, dito tayo mag-start from the R1. And then, pwede natin i-transfer dito pag nakuha na natin yung A or P. So, we can say that for our second question that yung ating length dito, as you can see, so ito kasi yung kailangan natin, ayan. And then, ito yung ating radius. Itong maliit na triangle na to. Okay, so kompletuhin lang natin yung detail. So, ito ay yung ating interior or yung ating central angle na 7.645 degrees. Then, ito is radius din yan. Same as that. Same as this line. So, parehas lang yan na radius. So, ngayon is itong length na to yung kailangan natin. So, therefore, to get this length, itong haba na yan, so we can say na yung ating haba na ito, ayan, yan ay yung 800 minus yung ating A. So, yan. So, itong length na to, bawasin ko yan. Ibabawas ko ito. So, matitira na lang yan. Kaya, 800 minus A. So, in that way, so meron tayong length dito, then hypotenuse na 800. Yan, pwede rin nating ilagay na 800. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng cosine law or cosine. So, katowa pala, ano? So, kasi ito ay adjacent side and then hypotenuse. So, therefore, so we can say na ito ay cosine ng ating I. Ang ating angle is 7.645 degrees. Yan, nakastore ba yan sa A? Yes, nakastore sa A. So, ito ay nakastore sa A. Equals yung ating adjacent side na 800 minus A over yung ating hypotenuse na R na 800. So, ating radius is 800. Therefore, yung ating value ng A equals, solve natin. So, meron tayong cosine ng A equals 800 minus yung ating A over 800. Calc lang natin, o variable error. Sorry, X pala. Ayan. So, ang ating value ng A is 7.11. 7.11 meters. Ngayon, yung ating B naman is since ito ay 7.11, so ang total length nila is 20. So, we can say yung ating B equals 20 minus A. Therefore, yung ating B equals, so itong 7.11, sige, store din natin yan sa B. Ayan. So, mayroon tayong shift store B. So, 20 minus ating B ay 12.8. Meron tayong 12.8. So, ayan ha, yung ating, ito yun. So, since may length na tayo dyan, itong total length niya is 20, kaya minus lang natin. So, makukuha natin yung ating B. Then, to get yung ating second radius, kasi meron na tayong value nito, ayan. So, pwede nating gamitin uli yung radius na to minus dyan. Kasi, ang kinukuha naman nating triangle is ito naman. Para sa ating susunod na radius. Itong maliit na ito. Diba? So, to get that, so ito is R2 pa rin. And then ito, hindi pa rin babago. Is a central angle pa rin yan. So still, that is 7.645 degrees. So 7.645 degrees pa rin ito. Ngayon, itong length nito, para makuha natin yan, so R2 minus natin yung ating value ng B. Diba? So ito, yung length na yan, minus lang natin dyan, itong side na to. So ito na lang yung matitira. And then gamit ulit tayo ng ating cosine. Diba? Yung ating SOHCAHTOA. So for R2 naman, so meron tayong cosine. Cosine ng ating 7.645 degrees equals yung ating adjacent side is R2. Ito natin. R2 minus yung ating nasa B na 12.8. Ayan. Over ating hypotenuse. So, ang hypotenuse natin is R2 pa rin. So, lagay natin R2. Therefore, yung ating R2, yung ating radius ng ating curve, meron tayong cosine ng sa A. So, naka-store to sa A. Tama. Cosine ng ating A equals X minus 12.8 over X. Shift calc natin. And then, value of X is ayan. So, tayin lang natin. Yan. So, meron tayong 1,440 equals 1,000 saktong-sakto 440 meters. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. Yan. So, yan na yun. Tingnan natin. Saktong-sakto. Okay. So, for our third question, what is the stationing of the ET? So, ano ang ating stationing ng PT? So, from this point, PC tayo. So, ganun nga. Since magkaiba naman yung ating radius, so hindi natin pwedeng i-multiply kasi magkaiba yung ating radius eh. Okay? So, kukomputin natin bawat isang curve length or length of the curve. So, for third question, yung ating stationing of the PT. Station at PT. Okay, so kunin muna natin yung first curve length. So, ganun pa rin yung ating formula na ating R theta. But yung ating theta is still need i-multiply sa pi over 1t. Therefore, so yung ating first radius na 800, meron tayong 800. Then, yung ating theta is still, ayan, 7.645. Okay. Meron tayong 7.645 degrees multiplied by pi over 180 equals tayong 800. So, ito naka-store sa A. Okay natin. Store to sa A eh. Then, multiplied by pi over 180. Ayan. So, meron tayong 106.746. 106.746. So, pwede nating store sa C yan eh. So, let's store this sa C. And then, back lang tayo para edit lang natin to ng 1440. Ayan. So, meron tayong 192.143 para sa ating LC2 or length of curve 2. Ayan. So, R1, ito naman is R2 theta. So, ganun pa rin, need pa rin siya i-multiply sa pi over 180. Therefore, meron tayong 1440 multiplied by 7.645 degrees. So, but ito ay nasa A. Then, multiplied by pi over 180. Therefore, meron tayong 192.143 meters. Ayan. So, pwede nating store to sa D para plus na lang tayo. Shift store D. And then, yung ating station at PT is equal to yung ating station at PC plus length of curve 1 plus length of curve 2. Therefore, meron tayong 10 plus 620 plus yung ating nasa C. So, 106.746. So, yan ay nasa C. Then, plus natin yung 192.143 na nasa D naman. So, yung ating final station. So, 10620 plus yung ating C plus yung nasa D natin. Ayan. So, meron tayong 10 plus 918.888. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, i-recap lang natin yung ating mga naging sagot. So, for our first question, yung ating central angle. So, our central angle is 7.645 degrees. So, kung i-change natin yan sa recall A, ayan, 7 degrees 38 minutes. Pwede yan. Or, lagay natin na 7 degrees at 38 minutes. So, pwede rin yan yung ating sagot. Ayan. For question B naman, the radius of the curve passing through the PT or yung ating R2. So, yung ating R2 equals 1,440. And then the station at PT is 10 plus 918.888. Ayan. So, that's all. And thank you for watching.